How to add money from Cash App to Apple Pay. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you to the step-by-step process on how to add money from Cash App to Apple Pay. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You cannot directly transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. Apple Pay is a digital wallet that allows you to make payments using your eligible Apple devices, such as your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. It is not a bank account, so you cannot directly transfer money to it. However, there are a few ways to work around this limitation and transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. First, add your Cash App card to Apple Wallet. This will allow you to use your Cash App balance to make payments at any merchant that accepts Apple Pay. To do this, follow these steps. Open the Cash App application and tap on the Cash Card tab. Further, tap on the Add to Apple Wallet button. Now follow the on-screen prompts to add your Cash App card to Apple Wallet. Once done, there are a few third-party services that allow you to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. These services typically charge a small fee for the transaction. One popular third-party service is called Cash to Apple Pay. To use this service, simply follow these steps. Go to the Cash to Apple Pay website and create an account. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer and add your Cash App and Apple Pay account information. Review the transaction details and click on the transfer button. Once you have completed the transaction, the money will be transferred from your Cash App account to your Apple Pay account within a few minutes. So, this is how you can add money from Cash App to Apple Pay. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.